Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming?
Are you tired of eating the same food every day? Well, Zakes is here to help you guys. This is a new place. It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better, it's gonna be greater. The food, I can't even begin. I mean, like, it's so nice, guys. Guys, let's go to Zakes. Cheers, guys.
I take your girl. I make her mine. I fuck your girl.
Yeah, guys, this is what's happening this Saturday on the 13th of April at Zakes. It's the official opening of the cafe, guys. You need to be there. It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better, it's gonna be greater, it's gonna be lit, guys. Zakes, you have to be there. Zakes.